Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Welcome to a new day of Halloween. Hello. Okay, so we're here at Walibi Halloween Fright Nights, and what we're going to be doing today is, I've been wanting to do this for my entire life. Today, we're in a Fright Night theme park where there are scare actors, and I've been a fan of this for years. And I always wanted to know, what does it feel like to scare the living hell out of everyone? I'm gonna get transformed by Sebastian, the big creator behind this all, and he's gonna transform me into a grandma that went camping and then went nuts. We're gonna do transformation, and then after that, I'm gonna get a little course to become the perfect
scare actor.
And guess what we're doing after that? Going into the park. So before we get started, it's time to see what my outfit is going to be. So take us to the destination.
It's going to be a lot of layers, floral prints, grandma from hell. It's a look.
I will say, this is the best I've ever felt in my life. A waist, we don't care. Like, and I'm a grandma who's had a wealthy, amazing life, okay? Let's get this makeup on. Seb is gonna pull up my hair for a wig, and then we're gonna go ham, right? But first let me get this bird's nest off of my head, you know. Oh my God! Oh, and she's,
That happens.
Hello. So my wig cap is on, and now Seb is gonna see if the prosthetic, right?
Yeah,
Prosthetic is gonna fit my face. Oh God. Oh my God. Me after I forget moisturizer. Oh my God, I don't want to get old.
This is Prosate, and that's a special glue you use to glue prosthetics on your face, on skin. So it's a skin-safe glue. When we take it off, you're your beautiful self again.
And the glue is all you need to like get it on?
Yeah.
Even when like the actors get sweaty?
Yeah, it stays on pretty long. Sometimes we have to like around the mouth where it moves a lot. You have to glue it down again during the evening, but it stays on for 5-6 hours.
Oh, this feels like the greatest primer of life. How long does it take to make a prosthetic like that?
Depends on the creature, but like sculpting takes like 3 hours, then you have to mold it. That takes another like 2 hours to finish the molds, and then you bake it's called hot foam.
Okay.
You bake it in the oven, and that's a process like for an hour and a half or something like that. So it takes about a day, 2 days to make the molds, and then it takes 2 hours to get new prosthetics.
So now you're putting the prostate inside of the prosthetic, not a mask, not a mask. Oh my God. I know, I'm smiling.
So I just put a little glue around your mouth, so don't try to talk because it has to dry, and it's like a contact glue. So if you move your mouth now, they're going to be stuck together. So it has to dry, I'll powder it, and then we can talk again.
If I had to describe the feeling of having this on the face, it would feel like a used condom slapped all over you. And then the condom sat there for a couple hours and now it hardened out. I mean, at first I was like, oh, this is claustrophobic a little bit, but like now that you're like used to it, it's like second skin. It gets you into character. You're like, It's funny because I've never done like full I've never done any prosthetics in my life, ever. It's so interesting. You just took my prosthetic virginity.
Oh yes?
With a used condom on my face. Is there a secret to scary makeup? Like what are some key tricks to make something scary?
Blood always works.
Right.
Contact lenses, we're going to give you also some contact lenses.
Right.
So people don't recognize your blue eyes. Your pretty blue eyes.
Thank you.
And then good shading. You can make someone scary really simple with shading, blood, and contact lenses.
Like, where would you shade for the scariness? Stop laughing, Linda.
Just the way when you shape a face normally, like the cheekbones and stuff.
Right. I see a
them
lot of like
small and-
nose.
Yeah, nose folds,
Right.
eye bags, stuff like that.
And what is like the big secret to keeping that makeup on all night? Like, what is that secret primer that we need to know about?
Well, we don't really use primers.
You say what now?
Yeah, I know, but that's in beauty makeup. We just clean the skin and we use like really greasy makeup, so that stays on. You have to like scrub it off, so like theater makeup. So that stays on easier and longer than like foundations and
Oh, really?
yeah.
Can you imagine me walking down the aisle on my wedding like this? Yes, I do. So when taking this mask off,
Yeah.
are you not pulling the 3 strands of brow hair that I still have intact out?
No. We'll keep your brows safe. No, we have special removal for that.
Oh, thank God.
What we did was we glued it down, the prosthetic. We normally get it like this, and it's not painted then yet. So I pre-painted it already a little to speed up the process.
Oh. What are you doing now? You're sort of, oh, I see.
Good foundation
Give me a tan.
to blend the edges. It's like really greasy. It's called rubber mask grease from Krylon.
Oh.
So that stays on better.
Is this the kind of makeup you do all year?
No, only for Halloween. I do a lot of theater stuff. And I work here for Wallaby year round to design everything for Halloween. And then during Halloween I only do Eddie's makeup, our clown.
Eddie.
And for the rest I supervise everything.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the space we're in? So this is where all the Halloween magic happens.
Yep.
But it's very calm and quiet right now.
Yeah, because that's the event is busy now, so it's going on now. So all the actors are in the park, and all the makeup artists also. And I have around 60 makeup artists here doing 300 actors.
300 actors?
Yeah, it's a lot. It's busy.
Every day?
Every day. Yep.
How long do the makeup artists have for one face?
It depends on what they do, what kind of character, but it's from like 10 minutes, like with a mask on and then only eyes, to full prosthetics an hour, something like that. So
Holy
it depends,
shit.
yeah.
And at one point they're all gonna come back in here?
Yeah, around, because we stop at 11, so around 11:10.
And then it's the removal?
They come back and then the removal process starts. All the wigs and all the stuff, yeah.
It's like a machine.
Yeah, it's a big machine, yeah. It's really busy here.
Linda, question for you. On a scale of 1 to never gonna happen, how much do you think they're gonna recognize me?
Honey. Never gonna happen.
But like not even a little bit where you could be like, GRANDMATUTORIALS?
Maybe the jewelry. Or your tattoos.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Not
we're gonna
the
cover
face.
them. So.
We're gonna cover them.
Then no.
No?
No, not a chance.
Should I alter my voice?
Definitely.
You're gonna scream, right?
Am I gonna scream?
Right.
Hello! I can't, no.
So now I'm shading your face and also blending like the edges with some shade to for close-ups so people don't see the prosthetic. And then I'm gonna add some extra color like bloodshot eyes and stuff like that. So this is step 1, shading.
I've been going to this theme park for years. Of course, the first time I went, it was super, super scary. But then the second time I went, all I did was get up close to the actors because I wanted to see the makeup. I was like, scare me, now let me look at you. And then I took selfies with them, and I remember going home that night and like zooming in on their looks. I could be like, can I recreate this for my channel? And now, years later, I'm in the chair where it
one
happened.
of the monsters.
I'm one of the family. Oh. what is the crazy story you heard happened to a visitor?
We have visitors peeing their pants, pooping their pants, fainting.
Pooping?
Yeah, we also had some guests who pooped their pants because they got scared that much. And then it's a long drive home.
What if I make someone shit their pants tonight? That is my goal!
Important is short scarce. Get in their zone and get out of there. There's a lot of noise over there, so we're gonna whistle for you, so you don't need to shout. Don't ever touch anyone.
More people are coming. Oh, man! This is so awesome. This is my dream. Glow babies, GRANDMATUTORIALS, rest in peace. This was truly one of the most fun videos I've ever done in my life. The fact that people were afraid of me, the fact that people said that I looked ugly. Thank you for making my dream come true.
You're so welcome.
For the Dutch word of the day today, it can only be one thing. GRANDMATUTORIALS, here we go, grandma. Oma. Oh. Ma. Oma, you've never looked better. As always, if you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is leave the Dutch word of the day down below in the comments, or if you want to get spooky with it, leave a video response on Instagram under the hashtag Dutch word of the day. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm back to my normal self. I don't want to get old because now I see what the future holds for me. I hope I see you tomorrow. Bye.